So, good evening, everyone. I'm repeating my name again. My name is Aderemi-Digital, and for some of us, I'll be hearing about cryptocurrency. So, I want to start from first educating us what cryptocurrency is all about. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates through a decentralized computer network, and it is independent of any central authority like government or banks. So banks cannot control it, government cannot control it because it is completely decentralized. Sometimes I used to call cryptocurrency as an asset because cryptocurrency is developed on what we call blockchain technology. That was what was used to develop cryptocurrency. Is an industry that is democratic. It's an industry that is for the people, by the people, and of the people. And when the government found any industry, any space that they can't control, they can't tax, they can't generate revenue from it, they will find a way to discourage people, to create fear in the populace. They always do that. In the year 2020, when during the COVID-19 era, when most people were at home, that was when people begin to look for other ways of any income, and people begin to open their mind in Nigeria to the cryptocurrency space. I remember there's a video I once shared about a man that bought a luxurious car, and he said it was during the 2020 when most people were indoors, that he bought a coin called Dogecoin, and he bought it when it was a very, very, very cheap. And when the price of the coin began to grow in value, he sold and made multi-millions. And I have someone that's very close to me, my uncle. I keep on repeating this story because those are the things that made me to be so passionate, inquisitive. I want to learn what this cryptocurrency is all about, that governments are discouraging people from going into. And then when I saw my uncle invest less than $100 in 2021 in a coin called Shiba Inu, in less than 2 years, 1 year, 4 months later, that money he invested in that coin grew to give him over $150,000. That's why I begin to open my mind to cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is a digital currency compared to fiat currency that you can touch, you can feel. Cryptocurrency is completely virtual, is digital, and this means it is decentralized. And decentralized cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin now provide an outlet for personal wealth that is beyond restriction and confiscation. So most of people that are wise now are putting their wealth in Bitcoin, Ethereum, on the blockchain. So cryptocurrency, as the name suggests, is a blend of two words. One is called crypto, which meaning hidden or secret. So if you want to hide your wealth, you want to hide your investment, you want to keep your wealth secret, one of the easiest way of doing that is to invest in cryptocurrency. And the word currency means a medium of exchange. In simple terms, it's a term of digital or virtual currency or virtual money that uses what we call cryptographic techniques to secure transaction, unlike traditional banks or currency issued by governments such as US dollar or the euro or naira. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and typically operate on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is completely decentralized, and it helps to move money from one place to another in less than 1 or 2 minutes. Even there was a image I shared in our WhatsApp group sometimes ago, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, where the image was talking about the fact that it's very easy to move money in This is it. If you want to move, let's say $100,000, if you use all these blockchain networks, either Bitcoin, you only be charged 0.00025. Bitcoin Lightning Network, you'll be charged 0.01. If you use Binance Smart Chain, you'll be charged 0. That's 50 cents. If you use Bitcoin, it can be charged like $1. If you use Ethereum, will be charged $5. But if you use Visa card, MasterCard, wire transfer, you can see the amount of money you'll be charged. So if you send money through crypto, the charges are very, very, very small. Very, very small. That is why if you want to send money to anybody anywhere in the world, instead of you walking to the bank, converting to dollar or to euro in the black market, go back to the bank to do all those things, is very stressful. But on your smartphone, just go to Binance Exchange. You can easily convert that money, even if it's 10 million, 20 million. Convert it to either USDT, which is a stable coin, or Bitcoin, or Ethereum, and wire the money. Ask for the person to send you is either USDT address, Bitcoin address, Ethereum address. Before you know it, within 2 to 5 minutes, the person will receive his money, and he can easily convert it to fiat in his currency over there. So it has made transaction and transfer to be much, much more easier. And in cryptocurrency, the public key is similar to an account number. Just like an account number, it has some digits, some figures, but in cryptocurrency, we use what we call address. Let me show us an example. If you go to Binance, you want to send money to someone, you use address. If I click sports, let's say I want to send USDT to someone, I will click that USDT and I will click deposit. And if I want the person to send the money to me through either Tron network, Binance Smart Chain, I will just pick one. So the person, I will now send this address. This address is like my own unique account number for this my Binance account. So it makes transfer of fund to be very, very, very easy. Very, very easy. So let us continue. Now, when you want to invest or trade in cryptocurrency, you need what we call cryptocurrency exchanges. And I just show you an example of an exchange, which is Binance. And Binance is the topmost exchange in the world, because that's where your money will be, just like the way you have your Fidelity Bank, GTB app, Union Bank, First Bank app, where your money will be. So in cryptocurrency, we have what we call exchanges. We have two types of exchanges. Number one is called decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchange does not need you to do KYC, know your customer. It does not require you to even have email and password. And it's one of the safest way to keep your phone. So, for example, Trust Wallet is an example of a wallet where you can keep your cryptocurrency or your digital assets. So when I open it, you will see I'm coming. You will see different cryptocurrencies that you can save here. So we can see these are wallets. We can create multiple wallets. So this is an example of a decentralized wallet where your funds might be in any cryptocurrency that you want. So if you don't want your money to be going up and down in value, you can just keep your money in what we call USDT, because USDT is stable. It's a stable coin. So you need to have an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, which is a centralized exchange where you need to sign up with an email and password. That is where your money will be safe and secured. That was one of my friends I met some weeks back. And this same Binance exchange that I just showed us, this Binance exchange here, this Binance exchange, she has some money there since almost about 3 years. The money that she has in USDT, at that time, I think she bought the dollar to naira. That time was around 500, around 600, I think 585 naira or 500 naira per dollar. Then, now you can imagine the rate of dollar to naira now is around 1,500. So for her just keeping that money in her balance at that time, her money has even grown in value, like almost over 100% to 150%. So Binance is where we keep our money for trading, whether you want to invest or you want to trade. So anytime you want to trade in crypto, most coins are paired. They are paired. You can see, for example, if you want to trade, you want to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be paired with USDT. So USDT is like the dollar, the virtual dollar equivalent of normal fiat dollar that we know. So if you want to trade any coin, any cryptocurrency in the market, you need to first convert your naira to USDT before you can use it to buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So most coins are paired with USDT because you need to use the USDT to pay for the Bitcoin you want to buy. So you want to trade USDT with BTC. So that is how most cryptocurrency are paired. They are paired together. They are always paired together. So anytime you buy USDT and you buy Bitcoin with USDT, for example, I entered a trading of Bitcoin when it was $39,000. As of today, Bitcoin has gone as high as $48,000. So depending on the unit of Bitcoin I got when I used it to buy that time, when Bitcoin now went high to 46,000, 47,000, I will have made profit back in my USDT because USDT is a stable coin. Now, when you want to invest and trade in cryptocurrency, there are different types of strategies you can adopt in cryptocurrency. Number one is basic investment strategies. So before you invest in crypto, you have to have two things at the back of your mind. Do I want to buy this coin and hold for a long time? Do I want to buy this coin now that is cheap and I want to hold for maybe like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Because the longer you hold onto a coin, the higher you can get profit on it. That's why a man called CZ, the former CEO of Binance, said that if you cannot hold a coin, that means if you cannot invest in a coin and be patient for it to grow for a long time, you can never be rich in cryptocurrency. So one of the virtue that you must have when you are investing in cryptocurrency is you must be patient. You must be patient. People that are not patient should not involve themselves in cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency goes up and down. It's volatile, it goes up and down. And if you have the issue of BP, you are not in BP, you need to make sure that you manage your emotions. You know, the game that we played between Nigeria and the South Africa a few days ago, we heard on the news that several people died because they were watching the match and their BP began to rise. We have reported several deaths because they were so emotional about the match. And when it comes to cryptocurrency investment and trading, you must be emotionally balanced. You must be emotionally balanced because most people have the concept, they always have an erroneous idea about crypto that you can lose money. Although you can lose money if you go and invest your money in shit coins, in meme coins, in coins that does not have what we call utility or have use cases. But as long as you invest in a coin uh that have been existing for the past 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years, just be calm. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must either have the mindset of holding for long time, and if you don't want to go for long term, you can go for the second aspect, which is trading in cryptocurrency. Why holding is for long time, day trading is for short time. That means you want to invest, buy a coin when it is low, sell it when it is high, within a day, maybe within 3 days, maybe within 1 week, maybe within in 2 weeks, maybe in 1 month. It depends on when you enter the coin because the price of the coins goes up and down, up and down. So you might enter a coin today and it might give you 5%. Like in my group, I give a focus on a coin, and I did 14% on that coin. Or this is a registered members group, and I give them a forecast that this coin is going to do 14%. I think the name of that here, I think is the coin. So it has done 30% on my using it. This coin did 13%, and I used my RoyalQ boss to buy it. And then after some time, I waited for it. I was expecting the coin. My target was that the coin can do 55% after doing my analysis. But because of my experience, I just took my 14% from the coin and I left the coin, because I did what we call day trading. I did short-term trading with that coin. So if you want to go for short-term on trading crypto, then you are good to go, because most people like to do something that they can be getting profit now and then. Now, I now want to introduce us to the artificial intelligence robot that you can now use uh, to do crypto trading, because most people don't really know much about crypto trading. They don't know how to analyze the market. They don't know how to read charts. They don't know how to write to identify support, resistance. They can't draw trend line. These are technical thing that is not needed for people that just join crypto trading. So that's where this amazing robot comes to play. And this robot was a software that was developed in 2017. And in 2017 it was being used by big investors, by big organizations, by big institutions. But when they now made it to pass through a lot of testing, a lot of trials to be very sure that when it is launched to the populace, then it can serve people well. Then it was launched in 2021 by the developers in Singapore. And RoyalQ bot is a trading robot that is a semi-automated AI trading bot that helps to do, number one, help you to monitor the coin. Any coin that you give it to trade, it's able to monitor the coin. And the moment you dump the setup, just leave the bot to be doing its buying and selling. It is semi-automated in the sense that it does not have the mind of its own. It needs you to give it the right coin. And in our group, we always give we recommend coin that you can enter. And this setup to enter a coin after you have done all the necessary setup of the bot, it does not take time. Within 2-3 minutes, you give you a coin to trade, and just by the click of the button, within 2 minutes you are done. Then leave the bot. If you want the bot to be doing the trading for the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on the coin that you give to it to trade, it will be doing buying and selling for you in real time. So it's a semi-automated bot that requires you to press one button or the other, just like your washing machine. Well, your washing machine is a robot. It's a device that helps people to wash clothes compared to people that do normal conventional washing of clothes with their hand. So a washing machine requires you to on it, pour water, put some clothes, then on the button, give it a timer. When you on it, begin to do your washing. Then the moment you finish washing, you off it, then you drain it, then you can even dry it. So that's the way the robot is too. You need to apply, click some buttons within 1 minute to 2 minutes, and you are done. And the bot will be doing buy and selling for you. Now, traditional trading versus AI trading. Some people claim that they are good in manual trading. Why do they have to be going and be using one bot and be paying for one bot to be trading for them? So I have one of my friend that was once that is my barber. He once told me about his wife that was always engaged in manual trading. The woman wake up in the middle of the night, she'll be studying charts, she'll be opening her eyes, trying to enter coin at the right time. And I told the man that, why is your wife enslaving herself when there's an AI that can be doing the job of buying and selling for her? Why is she sleeping? And this is one of the things that interested me in this RoyalQ bot in 2021. The first time I was introduced to it, the two things that interested me most, number one was the uniqueness of the fact that my money will not be in the app, will not be in the RoyalQ bot. My money will be in my Binance wallet. I will be seeing it, and I will be seeing how the bot is doing the buying and selling. And the first time it was set up for me, I slept, I woke up, I pick up my phone, check my RoyalQ app, and I saw the report it gave to me, how it has been doing buying, selling for me, and the profit is generated for me in my Binance exchange. I was so excited. So you can see from this other side, while I was sleeping, someone that claimed that is a guru in trading. You can see how this person is so tired from reading charts, studying markets. The RoyalQ bot does not need order because it's a bot that has no emotions and can work for you 24/7, 365 days in a year. Now, how does the RoyalQ bot works? How does it work? Before you use the RoyalQ bot, you need what we call RoyalQ. You need to do what we call API binding. You need to bind the RoyalQ bot with your Binance. The RoyalQ app stand on its own, then the Binance exchange stand on its own. So you need to do what we call API binding. You need to connect the RoyalQ with your Binance. And API is a technology that helps two apps to communicate with each other. If you want two apps to be communicating with each other, you use what we call API. So when you connect the API with Binance, the only instruction you now set on the RoyalQ bot is to be helping to be monitor the market, reading the market, and helping to be buying low and selling high. That's the only instruction you give that setting when you are doing the API binding. And the only thing that we do is that we only trade in the spot market. We don't engage in futures markets. Future market can be very, very lucrative. It's very, very lucrative. You can give 100%, 300%. But the way it gives you so massive profit is the way it can liquidate your money. So we don't trade in the future market. We only trade in the spot market where we only buy low and sell high. No margin of futures trading. And this bot has the capacity of doing high frequent buying and selling part which a manual trader can never achieve, because it doesn't have any emotion, no losses. Now, this bot, depending on the capital that you put in your wallet, it has the tendency of generating up to 10%, 50% on your capital in a month. And we have seen a lot of examples of how it generates up to $100 profit in a day, up to $1,000 profit in a day, $50 profit in a day. I will show some examples, real-time examples. So in the lab seminar I did last week, I was not explaining with people that came for that seminar that this bot that generates up to $50 in a day, $100 in a day, $15 in a day. Even some people, depending on the capital they have, it can generate as high as $300 profit in a day. This kind of artificial intelligence, what value can you place on it? Because there are several bots in the market before, during, and after RoyalQ that they are nowhere to be found again because they try to mimic these robots. They try to cut corners, but they are nowhere to be found. And there are bots that are being charged even $100 per month, some $1,000 per month for you to use them. So when I ask somebody about this bot, that what value can you place on this bot if you want to activate it to be buying and selling for you, which I will ask us before I continue. Now, this bot utilizes what we call a martingale strategy. A martingale strategy is a strategy whereby the bot helps to buy coins using what we call dollar cost averaging method. Anytime the value of a coin drops, it buys cheaper. The more the value of the coin drops, it buys cheaper to be able you to accumulate more quantity of those coins in your Binance. Because the basic game strategy states that when a coin is dropping in value, you'll be getting more quantity of that coin. For example, let's say you bought a coin you bought a coin, for $2, and you bought 100 units of those coins. Now, when the coin goes down to like 1.9, the moment the value of the coin goes down, you can get more quantity of that coin. So when the coin goes down again to like, let's say 1.8, it can give you more quantity. If it goes down further again to like 1.5, it can give you, let's say, 200 units. So that's the way the bot buys. Anytime the coin goes down, it buys more quantity. Anytime it goes down, it buys more quantities. So anytime the coin are not going up individually, if you're selling them one by one independently for you, and as a way, even sell them in bulk to give you more profit. So it uses dollar cost averaging method to be able to give you more profit. And also, it has the ability to generate profit even in the bearish market. There are different markets in crypto. We have what we call the bullish market, or when the market is uptrend, you've seen that most of the coin, they'll be going up like this. They'll be going up like this. That's an uptrend. And sometimes markets can be downtrend. It'll be going down like this when the coin is going down in value. Or sometimes the market might be going what we call sideways. It's going sideways. It will not be going up or down. So no matter the direction of the market, the bot has the tendency of still giving you profit no matter the direction of the market. Now let me continue. So this is an example of how the bot buys. It buys when the coin goes down again, it buys. When it go up, it sells. So that is the way the bot buys and sell as the coin is. Cryptocurrency goes up and down per second, per minute, per hour. So coins are going up and down every now and then. That is how the bot perform what we call high frequency trading for you to be buying, selling while you are going about doing your businesses or your activities. Now in RoyalQ, we have two types of strategy that we use in trading. We have two types of trading strategy operations. Number one is called cycle strategy. This is a strategy whereby you want the bot to be buying and selling for you automatically for a very long time. From the word cycle, that means you want the bot to be buying and selling for you, continuously for a long time, maybe for the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. The bot has a tendency of doing that. But we only recommend only about 4 coins for that. We only recommend you to only enter coins like Bitcoin, like BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana. These are some of the coins that we recommend because these coins has very high market capitalization. What do I mean by that? These coins are very strong in the market. They have been existing, like Bitcoin has been existing for the past 15 years. No matter how low the Bitcoin goes, it will always go up. I did a strategy like that, which I will showing us live. So if you want the bot to be buying and selling for a long time, if you are busy, don't want to be doing what we call one shot, you can do that. But when you want to go for what we call one shot strategy, that means you want a bot, you want to engage in a strategy whereby when you enter a coin at a particular price, maybe you enter a coin at a particular price, let's say $3. So you want to only allow the bot to sell the moment the coin goes back to $4. Firstly, the coin might first go down. The bot will now buy those coins cheaper. Then the moment the coin reverses up, reaches your entry price and go higher, maybe you now give the bot, give me 2% profits, or give me 3%, give me 4%. So the moment the bot sees that the coin has gone back higher above your entry price, by either 2%, 3% profit you are told it to sell, it will not sell. That is why in RoyalQ, I can confidently say for the past almost 4 years now, the bot does not ever sell at a loss. It does not ever sell at a loss because the parameters, the functionality that is in the bot is to buy low and to sell high, to buy low and to sell high. Now, in RoyalQ, there are different types of income. There are different types of income in RoyalQ. Number one, if you only want to focus on trading income, your trading profits only, you don't want to engage in telling people about the bots. So this is not a come and bring your friend, come and bring your colleague, come and bring your church member, come and bring your neighbor. No, this is not a referral opportunity. This is strictly a trading opportunity. It's strictly a trading opportunity where you are making money in your wallet just using this AI to buy and sell for you. So if you just want to focus only on trading, then you are good to go. And also, if you want to also share the opportunity with people, RoyalQ will also give you what we call activation bonus. Maybe you tell anybody about the bot, you tell them about the bot. For any time you tell people about the bot, RoyalQ will reward you with a bonus depending on your rank in the conversion plan. So after then, if you start having partners through you as they are trading, RoyalQ will also be giving daily reward, weekly reward, apart from your normal trading profits. And also in RoyalQ, there's something we call fuel fee or gas fee. In every transaction in crypto, there's something we call transaction fee. Anytime the bot helps you to make profit in your Binance, the RoyalQ bot charges what we call gas fee. Just like your stockbroker, a stockbroker, anytime you have a stockbroker that are able to buy and sell shares or stocks. Like my father, when he was alive, he had a stockbroker that was helping him to manage his portfolio. He always call my father, this share, can he help me to buy it? He will help him to buy it. And when the share is going up in value, he will now ask, this share is going to give you profit because I've already bought it low. Why are they doing this? Because they know they will get the commission for every time they sell. So in RoyalQ, every time a bot is giving you profit in your Binance, it will always be giving you, the RoyalQ bot will always be charging its own percentage. That's how the RoyalQ developer are making money. They will be charging you a percentage, not from your capital, not from your profit in your Binance, but from your gas fee that you have already loaded in your Binance. That is where they will be charging you. Now let's continue. Now, these are other strategy that is being used in RoyalQ. These are settings that we put into RoyalQ bot anytime we want the bot. If you want the bot to be buying all those assets and sell them as a bulk once, let's say he bought coins for you, maybe like $300 worth of the coin when it was going down, and when it is going up, you want the bot to just sell these coins as a bulk, then you can use this. But if you want a bot to be buying and be helping to be keeping your profits until the coin goes higher than the entry price, you can use the sub-in mode. And if you want the bot to be buying and selling and give you your profit in real time immediately, we use this sub-in mode, real time settlements, and the bot works 24 hours 25 days. All these things I'm showing us, I'll be showing us live on the bot how it works. So these are some of the settings that is in the bot. If you want the bot to buy all those coins in bulk and sell them once, or you want the bot to be buying and selling but to be able to be keeping your profits, or you want the bot to be giving your profits immediately in your Binance exchange, you go for the third option. So most times we go for the last option. Now, before I continue, I want to quickly show us, before I ask a question for those of us that are in the group today, I want to show us some examples of live profits. Are you seeing it? These are some of the live profits RoyalQ is making for some of our partners. These are some live profits. I'll show us the RoyalQ app. These are some of the live profits. I'm trying to get one particular okay. Okay, here you can see an example. See an example of somebody using this RoyalQ app. You can see this person made 3,000 on 3rd of February. He made 3,118 naira. Not naira, sorry. $3,189 trading profits. On 2nd of February, this account made 819 trading profits. On 1st of February, this account made $99 profits. On 31st of January, it made $537 profits. On 30th of January, it made 711 trading profit. This person is using a very huge capital. Very huge. That's why this profit is so high like this. Now, I want to ask in the Zoom, a bot that is generating this very huge amount of profits. I want us to type in the chat, what amount do you think one can activate this bot for a year or monthly? If the bot can be generating this huge amount of profit daily or weekly, what value can we give this kind of artificial intelligence? I want you all to write in the chat. What value, how much do you think that this bot can be activated for, as generating this very huge amount of profits? Just write any amount. Write any amount in the chat. How much do you think one can hire or activate this license that can be working for you daily, weekly, monthly, generating daily profit for you? Okay, nobody is answering. Anyway, when I was doing my live seminar last week Saturday, when I told one of the person that came for that meeting, when he saw how much profit this bot can generate daily, weekly, he said that this bot, that even if the bot, maybe you didn't get my question. My question is that this RoyalQ app, this RoyalQ software, in dollars, how much do you think I can pay for it? You know, most people give all the stockbroker, fresh trader, they give them a percentage of commission monthly, or they will have an agreement that I will be paying you so amount for helping me to be trading. But you are not giving your money to anybody. Your boss is the one doing the job for you. Now, when I told somebody about this bot, he said in the last seminar I did last week Saturday, he said that if the bot can be generating this huge amount of profit daily, weekly, that this bot can be worth as high as $1,000 per month. He said it can be worth as $1,000 per month. He said if he pays $1,000 per month for this bot to generate this kind of profit for him, that is worth it. And I told him no, that the bot does not cost that much. Now, let me just show us the amount of money that you need to activate this bot. Whether you are rich or you are bringing $10,000, you are bringing 15 million naira, you are bringing 20 million naira, or you are bringing $1,000, you are bringing 500,000 naira, and put it in your Binance to be trading for you. Everybody uses pays the same amount of money. I'm coming. Everybody pays the amount of money for the bot. Sorry, I'm coming. My screen has gone. So sorry about that. Okay, this is the okay. So everybody pays the amount of money to activate the bot. So the bot costs only $120 for a whole year. $120 for a whole year to rent the bot. So whether you are bringing 10 million, 1 million, $500 to trade, you only pay $120 to activate the bot. You only pay $120 to activate the bot. So the minimum to start this RoyalQ opportunity is $240. $240 is all that is needed to start this RoyalQ business. So the amount of money that you are going to use to activate this bot is just $120 for a whole year. So set an example of somebody that is making $700 profit in a day, making huge profit. That person has already recovered the money he used to activate the bot. So just like you are renting a shop for, let's say, $120, and $120 now in if you want to convert it to naira, I think if you want for you to start this RoyalQ, the $240 in naira should be around, the last time I checked, it was around 346,000 naira to start. So out of that 340,000 naira, $120 out of it is for the rent of the boat, $20 is for the gas fee. So the money that you are going to use to activate the bot is $120. Then you need to put the remaining $20 in the app to be working, because the bot needs a fuel, it needs the gas to work. And the remaining minimum of $100 will be in your Binance exchange. So the capital that you put in the Binance will determine what you'll be getting weekly, daily, monthly. So we don't guarantee daily profit. Your daily profit is a function of how much capital do you have, the coin you are trading, and the direction of the market. That will determine how regular you'll be making money, making profit daily, weekly, because we are engaged in a live market, live trading market. This is not Ponzi scheme where you are being guaranteed daily, fixed daily percentage profit. No, this is not that kind of opportunity. No, this is an opportunity where we are trading live in the market. We are trading live in the market, in the crypto market, where we have over 20,000 coins. But in RoyalQ, we are only trading only about 90 coins, because RoyalQ makes sure it gives us the top best coins to trade, the top best coin to trade in the market. Sorry about that. RoyalQ gives us the best coins in the market to trade with. So the minimum to start is $240. $240. Now let me continue. Now, same reason why RoyalQ is a precious jewel. No payment of salary to anyone, because everything is done on your smartphone. No data required. It does not need internet to sell or buy. That's why if you are using RoyalQ, even your phone is switched off and your internet is off, the board does not need all those things to continue to work. Even if your data is off, your phone is off, it does not need all those things. It will continue to buy and selling for you, and does not need it needs no supervision, and your capital and profit is 100% in your custody, in your Binance wallet. And it's an opportunity where your children or family can inherit the business, because as long as crypto markets exist for the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years, if the Lord tarries, this is an opportunity that will be making money for you daily, weekly, for life. Because just as internet has come to stay, just as stock market has come to stay, just as forex market has come to stay, crypto trading is already 15 years. Crypto market is already 15 years. And it is now being adopted by several governments globally. Even Nigeria has even created its own stable coin. It's an opportunity where your family can inherit from. Even my family knows where I put my diary, where I put all my email and my password, where they can access my account anytime, any day, where I've invested in this RoyalQ. So no loss of funds and no third party. You're not giving money to anybody. No skills required. You don't need to have any degree or certificate to get started in RoyalQ. If you are open-minded, you can be trained on how to use the bot and how to learn about crypto market. Now let me quickly show you the RoyalQ app quickly. Now I want to show us this is a RoyalQ app. When I open my RoyalQ app, if I go up here, this place is the revenue page. It will show you the revenue it has given me so far. It will give me the breakdown of my revenue. Are you seeing it? So these are daily profits, and most times not every day that you make profit. It depends on the market. It depends on the market. Are you seeing it? So it will show you the daily profits you are making. If there's a buy and sell that day, it will show you. And if you want to also share the opportunity with people about RoyalQ, RoyalQ will always be rewarding you. So on this aspect, on this side, you'll be seeing that as people are trading in your team, people that you told about RoyalQ will be sharing rewards with you from the gas fee it is being charged. As you are being charged, it's also be rewarding you daily. As people that you have told about RoyalQ, as they are making money, you too will be making money. Now let me show us how the RoyalQ do buy and selling. I have an account here that I want to show us. I enter this trade Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been doing wonderfully well. And I put that trade on cycle. And the painful part was that the trade ended when Bitcoin reached 46,000. If I have allowed this coin to continue to trade since morning till now, a lot of money will have been made. So if I go here, I go up here to the right hand corner here, I will show you how the bot is doing the buying and selling. So to see how the bot is, are you seeing it? Let me go down when this trade started. I think I started this trade with the RoyalQ bot when Bitcoin was 45,000. That was on 12th of January. 12th of January. That's why RoyalQ will give you details of all the trade. Up to on 12th of January, it will give you the order number. It will give you the amount of quantity of the coin you bought and the amount you bought in dollar. So since 12th of January, this bot has been doing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Are you seeing it? It was doing buy, sell since 12th of January till today. It was just giving profits, small profits. And then when Bitcoin went back, you can see that there was a time Bitcoin went as low as I think it went as low as 39,000. 39, it went down to no, okay, it went down to 41,000, it went up again. So as Bitcoin is going up and down, up and down, up and down, the bot keep on buying and selling, keep on buying and selling, keep on buying and selling, keep on buying and selling almost every day. Then when the moment it reached higher than the price that I entered, it sold and gave this $6. And again, it kept on pumping and it gave this $6.7 again. If I've allowed this bot to continue to be trading without interrupting it, it's like giving more profit when Bitcoin enter $47. I see the way Bitcoin was moving. Bitcoin moved so high today. It really pained me. You can see how Bitcoin moved. Bitcoin moved high today. If I had left the bot to continue with trading like this, so much profit will have been made. So let me show you the section of how it has been generating that profit. If I click on revenue, it will give you the breakdown of how it has been generating profits. So this 9th of February, if I click it, you see the breakdown of the coins it gave those profits on AAV, on ATA, on Bitcoin, on AAV, on XLM, on Bitcoin, because there are many trades in this account. So this is how the RoyalQ bot works in real time. So all these profits you are seeing here is not here. Everything is already in the Binance exchange. So let me stop here to give room for question and answer where you need more understanding of how the RoyalQ bot works. For the new people that are joining today, you can ask your question. So if you need more clarification, you need more clarity on what we have heard today, you can ask your question. you can ask your question. You can drop your question in the chat. Drop your question in the chat. In the chat box, you can drop your question. Mr. Lauren Femi, please, I mistakenly made you a host. Please tap the participants and make me a host again. Tap the participants. So if you have any question, you can unmute your mic and ask your question. Okay, thank you. If you have any question on what I've said so far, you can drop your question in the chat, or you can raise up your hand and unmute your mic to ask your question. Let me stop the recording.